Welcome to my channel. Learning is fun. In today's video we will learn writing steps. Step 1. Character. Step 2. Verbs. Step 1. Discuss the character. In this picture the first character is a boy. Second character is a father. Third character is a mother. I will make a sentences using their sentences. Step 2. Discuss the action. Boy. Drinking. Father. Listening. Mother. Laughing. Let's make a complete sentences using their steps. The boy is drinking. The father is listening. The mother is laughing. This is how you can make 3 simple sentences. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video. Have a nice day.